Hello viewers, welcome to Core for Any. If you hear new, hit subscribe buttons and notification bell so you can never miss any our incredible content. SwiftUI taxi drivers apps inside. Today we need to call this here the REST API. How can call the REST API? Yesterday video inside explains here the how to create global post methods with XWW form URL encoded. So need to explain here details. And tomorrow need to display and to create here the image uploadings API. We need to call here, but we need to today let's only call this here the logins API. First of all, we need to go inside the login view models and to go here and to write down here the service calls methods. We need to write down here, create here. First of all, to do we need to write down and to give this here the names. Mark is good, and to write down here service call like this sets here. Now we need to create here the functions. Call this here login API and to pass this here the parameters by dictionary. Pass this to now we need to write down. First of all, we need to call these here. This calls dot call this here the post methods and to write down here the parameters to pass this here and to pass this here the path. Also need to declare this here API inside the globe files. Go here and to create here static that SV login equal to pass this here the URL plus API URL is URL and to concat this here and to call this here the login like this sets here this value. And then after we need to configure here the another copy here. Now we need to go inside the login view models and we set this here oops this here. Now we need to check this here the response object value per key and to give this here the name status and to check this here not get this here value and to this here blank to and says tell this here. If you get here the pals, we need to displaying here the message this here also this here show G that depend message what depends on it G message names on it and after copy this here this message and now need to go at the and this here. Okay. Now need to bring here the message mark and add this here the value for key. Now need to here the set this here object remove message string and get here SG. If you not gets any message, then and after need to get here the successfully get response, need to get here the user payloads. Also need to define here the static variable to get the user data. Add the state where int sets here for this. Now need to save and send this value inside the logins. A callings here the call set this before key as same as need to copy it payload before and now need to go types at this here div type here type like this at C. Image need to set this static keywords and that here auto is here the names and set this here the auto set set C and to this here login view and to get here. Now we need to call this here the fill that this value as this then and to write down user that's here and configurations here years. Now need years are the conditions, and also all this value. Now need to go at post methods and to write down here. So need to replace this here the API token key both tokens. Just need to pass this here. And like this we need to set here configurations and to calling this here API calling are done. And to test this here, first of all we need to call this here. After successfully logins we need to call this here the now we need to go inside the view. No needs view, need to go here and to this here the says need to commit this codes, copy here, write down successfully. Now we need to get this here the success message and we need to reply and pass this parameters. First of all need to pass this here the user types. Now need to set here statics for the driver types. So need to set this here there too, need to pass here. Then after another things we need to set here, need to pass here like this. Mobile like configuration and also need to type this types. After need for highway. After pass here the after the socket ID. Now no any socket ID, then to pass this here bank. That's and this API are the calls. Now need to run these projects inside the simulators. Now simulator is the start and to test this here the mobile verification authentication API. With REST API need to calling here. Now select here the language sign up screen, click on open the captcha verify. After need to get this here, put this static. Now here API callings, but need to get this here. Maybe get this calling issue this API. Also need to try to print and print and again run this apps. Now enter here the OTP, submit this here, and to test this here the print. Understand this here issue here. We have this we need to add this here and we need to paste this here. Click here now against logins and captcha verify. Here get this here. Logins successfully. You need to get this year's API callings are working goods. If you like this video, please give the thumbs up. If you're new user, so please subscribe my channels and press the notification bell icon. You can get every new video notifications and awesome content. And tomorrow we need to create here the how can upload the user profiles image. First of all, we need to explain here the globals image uploads API, files uploads API. We need to explain in details and to create here the global API.